Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Payhip, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Payhip account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Payhip anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that selling courses or coaching is a great way to boost your income, and Payhip is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, payhip.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Payhip account, from time to time, they have a free trial. So you're going to click here on get for free. Okay. In order to create a Payhip account, they ask for your first name, last name, email address, and password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that off screen. Okay. Once you've entered the required information, click here on create account. Okay. Next, during the onboarding, they're going to ask for your store name. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in. All right. Once you've entered your store name, click on continue. Okay. Now they're asking what you want your store username to be. So go ahead and choose that and then click on get started selling. Okay. A quick second later, it brings me here to my dashboard. So I can go ahead and start creating products, adding my customers into my Payhip account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Payhip account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.